Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a ChatGPT account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be your phone or in your computer. Okay, once done, just go to URL box and type in chatgpt.com. Alright, once done, you'll be landed to the same exact page. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top right and click on sign up for free. Okay, click on it and don't wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can now go ahead and enter your email address right here, or continue with Google, Microsoft account, Apple, or with your phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address, this one, and hit on continue. Now, say for example, I'm just going to continue with Google right here, maybe with this account, and just simply select any of your Gmails right here or emails. Okay, for example, this one. All right, once that's done, as you can see here, as easy as that, by just entering your email or Gmail, you now have your free ChatGPT account. Now, if you want to enjoy ChatGPT Plus, that can give you higher limits, smarter models, and Sora for video, you can go ahead and go to the comments below, all right, and click on this link, and then just wait for it, okay? Once it loads, go ahead and sign up using your Gmail. You can go ahead and use the exact same email that you've used to ChatGPT, and in here just go ahead and find ChatGPT Plus. Okay, if you can't find it in here, go ahead over to AI in these tabs, and here you have ChatGPT Plus. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and select your preferred duration, for example 12 months, 6 months, 3 months right here. Also one slot, which is shared with 6 people. The only problem with this is that some users might delete some of your prompts. Okay, so I would highly suggest that you get GPT Solo, which is private, or just this one slot shared with 3 people. Okay, so if you want this one, or even if you want the one slot shared with 6 people, you can go ahead and click on have a promo code or coupon section, click on it, and to save more as a bonus, go ahead and type in the promo code GUMY, hit on apply, and there you have it. All right. If you're happy with it, just go ahead and go to payment right here. Select a payment method. It could be credit or debit card or your Binance account. And depending on your region, the payment methods right here displayed may vary. Okay. Select the payment method, hit on pay now, and you'll just have to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, name and card. And once done, hit on pay now. And after that, Gamsco right here will get you in touch with a customer support that will give you the sign-in credentials. All right. Also, you can go to check your subscription right here at the top. Just click on it, and here you have your subscription. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.